to my face.
Hey guys, what's up? Today I'll be unboxing OnlyOneOf's the part 2 of the Instinct. So yes, let's get into it. Here's the front. Here's the here's the back. I guess I don't need my scissors. Why is it like that? I just got it. Okay, so here is the front and the back. Whoa. Okay. Let me check for stuff. Okay, so here is the CD. Yes. Okay, let me focus. Wow. That's, wow. I feel like I'm gonna be very shocked by this album because I was already shocked on the first page turn, basically. Loving the orange hair. Oh. This the cardboard keeps getting stuck on there, so just in case, don't like flip through it so quickly because it might stick. Oh, wow. Is the highlights only on one side, like the blonde? Too stunned. I do like the blonde on just the one side though. I think that's interesting. Oh. I love all the knitwear they're wearing. Oh, he got blonde too on the side? Oh no, that's just the light in the picture, but wow. They must have really all hit the gym to get ready for this comeback. Oh, did I skip a page? No. That was just me thinking I did. Oh wow, I really love this shot. Like, look how defined. They really had to be hitting the gym, like, hard. Here's the songs with the credits. Oh, I'm stuck. Okay. I got one photo card out of this album. So let's see who I got. Oh, wow. Oh, this is what the bag looks like. Wow. So, thank you for watching me unbox Only One of the Instinct Part 2. Here, I'll flip it on so you see who I got for the back and my photo card. But, yeah. Like if you want, subscribe if you want, and yeah. Bye!